Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Hello Kitty Easter Bunny Squishmallow. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, I'm going to first start off by drawing the shape of the body. We'll start with the curve at the top here. Then from the sides, let's bring it down and curve it in at the bottom. And then let's connect them at the bottom with another curve. And that's it for the shape of the body. Next, let's hop to the top and add the bow. On the top right, let's add a circle overlapping the edge here. Then from the top, let's curve it over to the left, down, and back in. And the same thing on the right. Next, let's erase the overlapping lines inside. Now inside the top section, let's draw a curve, and the same on the bottom. And that's it for the bow. Next, let's add the ears. Let's start on top of the bow here, and let's draw a curve up, bring it over, and back down. And then let's add another curve inside. Now let's hop over on the left and draw the other ear in the same way. Next, let's hop down inside and add the face. Let's start inside and draw a curve across here. Then from the sides, let's curve it down and in. And then a curve at the bottom to close it off. Next, inside, let's add a sideways oval for the nose. And then 2 ovals on the sides for the eyes. And now let's color both of the eyes in black. Next, let's add the whiskers on the sides. On the right side, let's draw 3 small lines, and then the same thing on the left. And that's it for the face. Next, let's hop down underneath and draw a curve across. Now underneath, let's draw a curve on the left and a curve on the right. Now in the bottom section, let's draw 2 circles. and then another circle inside each of these. And that's it for this Hello Kitty Easter Bunny Squishmallow. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!